Kind Kondiba. Listen carefully and then read with me. This is Kondiba and this is king. Once the king was riding through a village. He saw Kondiba. Kondiba was digging a hole. King says, "Good morning, Kondiba." Kondiba says, "Good morning, O king." King says, "What are you doing?" Kondiba says, "I am planting a tree." King says, "What tree is this?" Kondiba says, "It's a mango tree." "When will it bear fruits?" "After many years." "Kondiba, you look so old. What use is this tree to you then?" Kondiba say, "O king, I am not planting this tree for myself. I am planting it for others. After many years, other people will come here. They will sit in the shade of this tree. They will get the mangoes." King says, "Kondiba, you are such a kind man. You have taught me a lesson. Now I will also work for others." बघा, ह्या आजोबांनी इतरांसाठी झाडं लावण्याचा विचार केलेला आहे आणि ते इतरांसाठी झाडं लावत आहे. आपणही असं काम करावं.